Go up too high too fast. Ah!
I'm sorry, what?
Roger that. Supplies are coming.
Yeah, sir?
Oh,
Mr. Crane? Am I speaking to Mr. Crane?
Yeah, this is Crane. Who's this?
Well, this door is at 460.
that insta-kill. Alright. Cool.
What do you mean? What?
What was that?
It sounded
I
like
I almost tipped over my chair.
Oh, I do not have enough. I just heard it. What? Pancake?
Just let out like the weirdest sounding yawn
Yeah.
slash moan I've ever heard. Wasted another C4. How do you feel?
The noise. Instant panic. The man making these noises.
Yeah, no?
I know.
Second time I've died and it hasn't told me.
Hello.
Oh! Oh!
I guess. You know. Oh!
What? So, excuse me, scrub.
My dog is dead in this game.
Oh shit! What was that?